It's a busy week of economic news, including the Fed's favorite inflation gauge, PCE. Michele Schneider, the chief market strategist at MarketGauge, is watching the market action for us today. Mich, how is this playing out in the stock market?
Well, we're back to where we've been for so long, which is growth stocks doing their thing while the rest of the market, not all pockets, there are better pockets than there were in the past, but still the ones I like to watch, which would be the small caps, the retail and the transportation, well underperforming. So to me, it's really going to be, if we can sustain this rally, especially if you look at the small caps, is this a consolidation under key moving averages and key resistance getting ready to power out, which would be obviously a very bullish thing? Or is it kind of in a stall mode and anything negative comes out, like a higher PCE, for example, actually drives those TLTs down, yields back up, and the small caps back down, which could put the kibosh on things. And I think we're kind of like right there, right now.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, I have definitely turned my attention seasonally, also with recent headlines, towards the healthcare part of the industry. And yes, healthcare costs are rising, et cetera, et cetera. We've talked about a couple of stocks. I think we talked about eHealth last time I was with you. But this time I want to talk about Vaxcyte, which is PCVX. That is really looking pretty good. It had a down week last week. It's holding 46. That's my line in the sand for support. And the longer it builds its base here, it's building a base near highs. It breaks out of that base. I think this stock can probably see about 65. So that's kind of where we have our eyes right now.
Excellent. Thank you, Michele.
Thank you, Angela.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.